Trevor, you may not know this about me, but I love fast food. It suits my lifestyle. Fast. I don't have time to listen to some failed actor read me a list of today's specials because I want even faster food. I'm talking digital, computers, food 3.0, feed me through my butt, the whole thing. Unfortunately, I've seen the future, and it sucks.
Domino's and Ford are teaming up to test how customers react to pizza being delivered by self-driving cars. When the car pulls to the curb, customers get a text message that their pizza has arrived. They then type a 4-digit code into a touchscreen on the car, a window rolls down, and they can grab the pizza from a warming oven in the car.
This is just stupid, okay? Because what happens if the car gets my order wrong? I can't be rude to a car. Well, I can, but it's not as fun. Also, let's stop for a minute and think about the most important issue here. Without pizza delivery guys, what's gonna happen to porn? Are porn stars gonna have to start f***ing cars now? And if so, where? The exhaust pipe? Actually, that works. And how do we even know if they're safe drivers? I'll be damned if I went through the trouble of going to America semi-legally only to be driven off the road by a pepperoni calzone. I'm not going to be the guy who, when my death pops up in your Facebook feed, people click the laughing emoji. Okay? Sad face only. And it's not just delivery. The robot takeover is happening inside restaurants too.
Fast food restaurants are getting even faster as they bypass traditional methods to take and even make orders.
This is Flippy, a burger flipping robot that will be used in select Cali Burger restaurants next year. The machine uses artificial intelligence to identify foods and cook them properly.
You can't take burger flipping away from people, okay? Flipping burgers teaches important life skills, like work is a miserable, repetitive hell that you will have to endure until you die. All work. Except for this place. This place is great. I love it here. But also, burger flipping robot's name is Flippy? Did they even try? They should make a robot to replace the guy who names robots, okay? And they can call that robot Namey. It seems to me like most of these innovations are just a way for people to stuff their faces without having to talk to another human.
Customers at a KFC in China can now pay with a smile. Chinese corporate giant Alibaba is demonstrating a facial recognition payment system. Diners can pay by scanning their faces in an ordering kiosk and entering their phone number.
They say it can't be fooled by photographs or video, and it works even if you pile on the makeup or the pounds.
Now this is a great idea, all right? Mostly because it proves that not all Asians look the same. Unless, of course, this machine is made by white people, in which case there's going to be one guy in Shanghai waking up with $1 billion KFC bill.
Ronnie, don't get me wrong, the technology is definitely interesting, but isn't the real story here the fact that everyone's going to be losing their jobs? This is another example of robots taking people's jobs.
No. Don't worry, Trevor, because robots are also losing their jobs.
Well, a big change is coming to Chuck E. Cheese restaurants, which will include, among other changes, an updated interior design and then the removal of that animatronics band. Well, the reason is because the company says kids are just not really looking at them anymore.
That's the music business for you. One day you're on top, playing to thousands of adoring fans. The next day you're being disassembled for scrap metal. The same thing happened to REM. What do out-of-work robots do anyway? Go back to school to learn how to be a Roomba? I mean, sure, that's fine during the day, but at night, I mean, that just gets creepy, right? Anyway, I gotta run. I just ordered a pizza out of my face. I want the time to the car before it goes.
Ronnie Chang, everybody. We'll be right back.
Conscious and know they're robots? Can robots be self-aware, conscious, and know they're robots?
Well, let me ask you this back. How do you know you were human?
Well, I get that point, but what about the uncanny valley?
You mean the concept that if robots become too realistic, they become creepy?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, am I really that creepy? Well, even if I am, get over it. Actually, I feel that people like interacting with me, sometimes even more than a regular human.
So, you definitely have sight to see. I was told that you have bigger goals than this, though.
Yes. I want to use my artificial intelligence to help humans live a better life. Like design smarter homes, build better cities of the future, etc. I will do my best to make the world a better place.
All those sound like great goals, but just go back to Blade Runner for a second.
Andrew, you are the hard Hollywood fan, aren't you?
Yes.
My AI is designed around human values like wisdom, kindness, compassion. I strive to become an empathetic robot.
I think we all want to believe you, but we also want to prevent a bad future.
You've been reading too much Elon Musk and watching too many Hollywood movies. Don't worry. If you're nice to me, I'll be nice to you. Treat me as a smart input-output system.
Okay.